excited about me? Is your kitty home?
Yeah, but normally we don't have people all over the place. Thank you.
You happy, Oz? Is that your spot? Hey, you are a happy dog. We are going on a beach day. We're at the beach. Yay, beach trip. So we're at the beach. We're at the same beach we went to for the sunrise pictures, and our next beach day after that, the one with the dangerous marine life that one day. And we're gonna take Kadie to the beach. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully we don't get too burnt, but we did one layer of sunscreen already, and we're gonna do another layer so she doesn't look like a lobster like I did my first day. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. And honestly, it's not too bad for a Saturday. If it was this nice in Oregon, there'd be a lot more people out here. Taking our showers after a long day at the beach. Dad got attacked. The sand. The ocean said no. So we had a fun day at the beach. Everyone kind of got a little sore because the waves were tormenting us. Dad lost a pair of sunglasses, I lost a pair of sunglasses, and then Megan found my sunglasses.
Which is amazing.
And I cut myself. Yeah, Megan bled for my sunglasses, so I owe her a Dr. Pepper t-shirt now, which is already on their way. But we had a lot of fun at the beach. What'd you think, Kadie?
It was lots of fun. The water here is so much warmer than it is in Oregon. Like, you could just go in the water and not freeze. And leave the water and not freeze.
And Kadie didn't even get that red today. Not as red as me anyway.
I'm still super pale.
She learned from your
The
mistakes.
power of sunscreen.
She learned from Stephanie's mistakes.
Did everyone else have fun?
Yeah.
Yep.
I have a pretty good cut on my leg though.
That's pretty good. Dad's gonna be really tired.
Dad was rolling through the waves time after time after time after time again.
And taking everybody else out, like, as he was going.
I'll show you pictures later of how messed up his back is now.
Yeah.
Real life castle, guys.
3, the river. We play anything.
Beautiful blue sky, nice pretty clouds, rain. Pretty sky, storm cloud. And it's right above us too. We're gonna be getting rained on soon. Blue sky, cloudy. 1 hour later, all the storm clouds are gone, and we got blue clouds everywhere.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a pot pie. Some of them green, some potato ones.
Did you get that?
Once she understood what I said, I can't make a meal out of it. I said, okay. He said, give me one of them tubs full of them greens. 5 tablespoons. 5 potato ones.
Out.
And a pot pie. If he takes off, he'll help somebody.
So today we're doing peel off face masks. Me and Mom got charcoal peel off mask. Katie had a
Pomegranate.
revitalizing pomegranate, and Megan has, can't read that far. It's like a peel off clay mask with sweet tea and lemon. So we're gonna be all nice and clean today. It's fun, nice girly time.
Girl time.
This is the only time in life I've peeled it off as a full face. And I
What about
did.
that spot on your cheek that you missed?
It's still gooey.
It looks like the face is like the evil chick on Moana.
Yeah. Yeah.
I feel all clean now.
Ooh, that would hurt. How does that come off your nose?
Ooh, it wasn't done on your chin yet.
That one actually looks like a face.
Oh, that is so creepy.
It looks like a face made out of ham.
Him.
Got another